What's good, y'all? I'm on a GoPro today, so hopefully it comes out good. But look, I done cashed out. I got me that new thing. It's been a minute since I made a video. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all always tell me make more videos, but man, I'll be forgetting. And I don't like using that big ass camera, so I'm using the GoPro today. But got the big dog. Hopefully the camera comes out like good. I don't know if it's gonna be blurry or not, but whatever. But we outside. They already out there. My homie. Hey, you guys, if you guys are OG,
Mr. King, call me G35?
this, if you guys are OG hot boys, y'all should know this was my original do everything mechanic, free of charge. But he's retired. I'm retired of doing stupid shit. Well, not quite, but he's retired. He likes to teach people how to be stupid and fix stuff now. Yeah. But so my boy's drifting now. He fucking. You still have that dumbass Subaru?
Hey, that's Miss Old Reliable right there.
So fun fact, guys. Fun fact. The first time he put the motor together on that motherfucker,
That shit was knocking.
that shit knocked. Like, you know, you make a joke and you make it knock. That shit was for real with this guy.
Oh, he's trying to go inside.
Okay, let's see what he got over here. Oh, cooler. Got him. He trying to be Adam LZ. Look, he got B and everything. My bad.
He's drifting with. Oh, come on with the show.
Sheesh. My bad. This is a 36, right?
46.
This is a 46? Yeah, I don't even know the difference. Look at this guy. Fucking BMW. Fuck him. But as you can see, I got another HR, but this is the motor out of my black one. So the black one is officially retired. This is the new, essentially black car. HR with all the drift parts. Same thing. Literally motor out of the black one, retired the black car. Now we got this one. So threw the 3 pieces on it just because, why not? But yeah, this is my first time at the track with this. I drove it at SEMA a little bit, but not that much. So this is gonna be the real test. Before I start driving, I'm gonna just walk around the pits right quick, just see what's going on, see what's here and what's not here. Everybody asking me where the orange car. Man, fuck that orange car. That shit always spend all my money and break it. Look at this guy. I brought the other black guy along with me. He already went to go take a shit. Yeah, cause you wanna put fucking meatballs and steak and ham and cheese, egg and ham and cheese ass.
Why you putting my business out there?
Yeah, cause that don't make no damn sense. Oh, that, hey, his chain busting in the sun. Hey, I gotta get you on the video right quick. You almost blinded me by the ice.
Oh, sure.
I saw the sun hit it. And I'm like, ooh. Damn. It was shine bright like a diamond. Shit, he probably got that good moissanite. I'm finna go get me some moissanite. It's gonna pass the test. They can't tell me it's fake. I'ma lie. This thing right here is pretty sick. I like this. Nice and clean. Ooh. C5s. I miss my C5s still. That's so hard. Must be nice. Must be nice. All right, y'all. Well, I got a couple clips, but unfortunately, my slave is acting up every couple laps. All the fluid disappears, and it seems like it's leaking now. So I think my slave is cooked. I had an opportunity to prevent that, but I wanted to be lazy and not do it at that time because it was easier when I put the motor in this car to just keep the motor in trans from this, like from my last car, and just put it into this and not disconnect the trans. And yeah, I should have just done it because now I have to do more work. I gotta drop the trans now, but nah, whatever. So I never even told y'all about this car. I don't know if I did or not, but pretty much I wanted to retire the black car and get a new chassis. So I got a whole new freaking shell, put the motor and trans in it, and it didn't freaking work. Some ECU crap. It wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't communicating. So I just had 2 freaking shells just sitting in the freaking garage. Honestly, in the black car, it was really no problem. I just wanted a cleaner shell. Start over. Fuck it. What I was gonna say? Oh, then I found this one. They blew the motor on it, and it was for sale. So I bought this car, blown motor. Exterior wise, it all had this except for the wheels. These are my wheels, but yeah, it had a bunch of little parts like the intakes, the hoses, has a bigger fan, little stuff. Arms, it already had the angle kit, the inline hydro. You can see chase bays. I'm gonna put a clip of, or I'm gonna put that earlier. I'll probably put it right now. I was recording my glasses. The freaking whole thing just came out in my hands. Pause. Sound kind of weird. I don't know, but I'm gonna just say pause. But yeah, so got everything freaking packed in here. The truck and trailer is way over there, so I'm gonna drive this thing with no clutch over there. Don't ask how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just put it in gear and just hope I make it. Okay, bye. Quick. We did it, y'all. Oh, you got it? That worked
out beautifully.
That's hella sketchy, but it worked.
Bro, your new truck is bitch in, dude.
Man.
Is it a high country? Oh my god.
Yeah, high country.
Oh my god.